Another journey around the sun. It wasn't without its challenges. From cairn to coast, you were never far away. Through icy winter cold, you made sure wildlife had a stronghold. At sea, on sand, all across the homeland, you worked hard to keep them safe. You dug, you cleared, you planted. With your efforts, new life flourished. You mapped and revealed treasures. In towns, in gardens, you came together and campaigned, stood up, reclaimed. Things got hot as life blazed across the duchy. And seeds of change planted in colder times bloomed. You watched, you listed. Sands shifted, and you persisted. To take part, to play a part. To rebuild and to restore. As the Atlantic brought spectacular visitors, you celebrated what sets us apart. In these strange winds of change, you are my hope. You are the heart. Despite darker days, you are still giving. For all that you do, thank you.